Andy Eigenman, nagbigay na ng pahayag sa pagpanaw ng kanyang inang si Jacqueline Jose. Sa isang maiksing press conference ay ibinahagi ni Andy kasama ang kanyang kuya na si Gabby Eigenman ang mga detalye sa biglaang pagpanaw ng kanyang ina. She said, "It is with great sadness that we announce the untimely passing of my nanay, Mary Jane Gok, also known as Jacqueline Jose, at the age of 60 on the morning of March 2, 2024 due to a myocardial infarction or heart attack." She also thanked everyone who extended their prayers and condolences. Nakiusap din siyang pagbigyan sila sa hinihinging respect at privacy para makapagluksa. She also wished that her statement would put all speculations to rest. Andy ended the press conference with this final message. Her undeniable legacy will definitely forever live on through her work, through her children, and the many lives she's touched, as her life itself was her greatest obra maestra. Follow poplife.ph because you can never miss out.